Hi fam, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Queen Chilemanya, and this is Chilemanya Empire. To my returning subscribers, you know that I love and appreciate you a whole lot. Please, if you're new here, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my videos so that other people will benefit from it. Drop your feelings down in the comment section and please turn on your bell notification icon so that you can get notified whenever I post new videos. Today we'll be discussing an important topic: why my YouTube channel wasn't growing and how I fixed it. Yes, why my YouTube channel wasn't growing and how I fixed it. It's actually a tutorial video, kind of, and you can still call it a normal video, because I know in my previous, I think my first video, I promised that I will be giving you tutorials about my YouTube journey. So today I want to share with you the things that made my YouTube channel stagnant, stuck for so many years, and why it wasn't growing, and at the same time how I fixed it to be able to be okay. Right now my YouTube channel is doing well, even though it's not at the point where I envisioned it to be, but it is doing well compared to how it was. Okay, so but I can say that I have solved so many of the problems that I was having in the channel, and that is what I'm going to be sharing with you in today's videos. I actually wanted to share this because I know that there are so many people that are making the same mistakes up till date. Even till tomorrow, people will still make such mistake. But I want to just make a video of it and show what my regrets are, the things that has made it stuck for so many years, and how I was able to fix it. So having said that, without further ado, let's dive into today's video. Okay, just like I said earlier, that I'll be sharing with you the things that made my YouTube channel stuck for almost 9 years. And everyone knows that there is no smoke without fire, okay? There is an action before a reaction. Actually, there were things I was doing on my YouTube channel that wasn't really aligning with the things that I'm supposed to be doing there. Okay, there are ways that I was handling it that I wasn't supposed to be doing, and when I realized it took me time to realize it, and when I realized it, I was able to correct those mistakes, and then it became okay and I was able to fix it. So those are the things I want to share with you so that you will not make the same mistake as I made. Okay, you know that everyone is aiming towards monetization, and anything that once you're on YouTube, monetization is your goal, because I don't know what else you'll be doing on YouTube if you don't want to monetize your account. Okay, so and monetizing your account, we already know that it takes 1,000 subscribers minimum and 4,000 watch time hours. We already know that, but the biggest part of it is the rules and regulations, policies, and all of that, keeping their rules, being free of anything concerning copyrights. Leave people's contents alone if possible. If you have to add music in most of my contents, I add background song, and it's always a free version, copyright free audios that I always put at the background of my videos. Okay, so if you must put any audio in your video, stay clear of people's contents, stay clear of people's audio. Even if you have to react to a particular video that you like, or probably it's going viral, make sure you react to it, own it, like do some touchings so that it will not land you into any trouble, because anything that will make you lose your monetization or anything that will delay you from monetizing your channel, I don't think it is what you want to do. So having said all of that, let's get into the first thing, because this thing, I actually tagged it my biggest regret as a small YouTuber. So let's look at those mistakes I was making on my YouTube channel that brought about the regrets, okay, and how I was able to fix it. All right, so the first one is sending of links to people, sending of my YouTube video links to people. You know, I think every small YouTuber may be guilty of this, just like me, okay? So, you know, when you make a video and you have uploaded it on YouTube, and the temptations are just there for you to send those links to your loved ones, your friends, your family, your colleagues in the office, so many people, everybody. You just want to send the links to WhatsApp groups, to Facebook, to everywhere you can, even to your church. Temptation is already there, okay, because of the phrase new YouTuber, okay? So I know the temptation is there, but this is actually something that can hurt a channel. I'm not saying that sending of links is bad. No, you should share your links, but there is something that YouTube algorithm does. When you upload your video, first, when you upload your video, the first thing they do is analyze, do the checking, check it for copyright and so many things that they will check to see if that video is okay. And if you didn't mark that it's not for children, they will also want you to mark that this video is not for children, okay? You will set a lot of things, fill all the things. I call it filling of forms when you want to upload, okay? You have to fill all the forms, tell them that it's not for children, so many things. So when you have uploaded your video successfully, you need to allow the YouTube algorithm check that your video, look at it, know the right audience to send it to, because believe me or not, take it or leave it, those people that you send it to might not even watch it. They might, some of them might watch it, some of them might not even watch it, and that's okay. But what I'm saying is that when you upload your video to YouTube, allow the YouTube algorithm do what they know how to do best. Let them do their work. Their work is to check that your video and see who needs it. What category of people needs it? Who are the people looking for it? They will push it to those people. They will push it to those people, okay? And it takes them some probably couple of minutes to do all that. YouTube algorithm checks so many things and make sure that your video is okay and ready to move. So they check the people that actually need that particular video, because believe me or not, there are people, what you want to watch on YouTube is not what I want to watch. It may differ. So YouTube algorithm knows who needs a particular video, and they know exactly how to push it. So if you just upload your YouTube video and you are in a haste to begin to share the links, you are actually telling the YouTube algorithm that you know how to share. You know how to push your videos to people. So they might even leave you to begin to now share it. The YouTube algorithm will just leave you to do, since you know how to do something, since you know how to push your video, then start pushing it. They will just keep quiet, okay? So, and again, those people you are even rushing to send it to, yes, you will still send it. Wait for me, I'm coming to that. Those people you are sending it to, your family members, your loved ones, your colleagues, your church people, your market people, and your community people, your village people, some of them will not click to watch. Some of them will never enter that link to go and watch something, your video on YouTube. So it is good to share, at least for some people who will watch to watch. Those that will not want to watch, you will not force them, and it's okay. It's not everybody that you send link to that will watch. What is the best thing to do? The best thing to do is, when you upload your video and the YouTube has finished checking all the things that they want to check and uploaded it and published it, leave it for a while, maybe an hour, some couple of hours, some hours, or even for 24 hours if you can. If the temptation can allow you, leave it for YouTube for 24 hours. If the temptation will not allow you, just leave it for some hours and then you begin to share. And when you begin to share it, first place to share it is your YouTube community. Yes, there is a place called YouTube community. It's actually something you can call a post on YouTube, a page where you can post something. That place is your page on YouTube. It is called YouTube community. First, share that your video. Share it, the share link button. Share it to that your community page first, before you begin to share it to your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok, and everywhere, your church, your market people, your village people. So it's okay to share, but allow the YouTube algorithm to do what they know how to do best, so that they will push your videos to the right people that actually need it. Believe me, it's those people that YouTube people move it to that actually come for you, that they are the people that are actually devoted to watching your videos. Because some of your family members that you will send the links to, they will just come, and even if they watch it today, they may not come back to watch it tomorrow. But there are those in need of that your content, that particular content you made in that video. There are those that are wishing to see a video like that, and they want to learn something like that. So this is a typical of what we describe as your audience. So that audience that are waiting for you, find them and allow them to get your video, allow them to see your video, so that your video will be making waves. Okay, thank you for this particular one. Let's get into the next one. The second error that I was making is building a dormant audience for myself, building something I will call a dead audience, stagnant people for myself as subscribers. Okay, you know, in the beginning I went to the extent of telling members in the church, colleagues at work, to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, and obviously because you have disturbed them over time, they will subscribe. But what happens to after subscribing to your channel? I already know that some of them will subscribe and not even come to watch your videos, okay? And those that are looking for a subscriber will not even mind, because they just want the subscriber counts to be increasing. But this is where the problem comes. The problem is that those dormant subscribers will not come to watch your videos. In fact, they are not even interested in your content. They may not come to watch whatever you post, except you come and disturb them again tomorrow. Please, I posted a video, please come and watch. So that is a dormant audience, those that are not even interested in whether you post a video or not. But there are those who are wishing that you post this type of video. And that's why the number one point that I raised, I said allow YouTube algorithm to push your video to the right people, so that those people are the ones that are yearning, they are the one wishing for you to drop this video. They are the one, people are online searching for something that will solve their problem in one way or the other. Everybody has one problem or the other, and that's the reason people are online searching for something. There are those searching for that particular video that you posted, those that will use it to solve one problem or the other. So, and if you keep on giving your videos and waiting for people who are not interested to come and watch it, you're just building a dormant audience for yourself. And that was what I was doing before, and it wasn't helping at all. At a particular time, I noticed that those people were not even watching. It is when I beg and beg that they will come and watch. And believe me, those people will come and watch, and a video of like 15 minutes or 20 minutes, they watch it for 2 minutes just for you to know that they have watched it. And YouTube algorithm has a means of also checking whether someone stayed, how long someone stayed watching your video. These are the things that they check for you to be making money there. Okay, so these are the things that they check. If someone comes to a 15 minutes or 20 minutes video and the person watched for just like 1 minute or 2 minutes, it may not be making sense to them. Okay, so please build a community. The right thing to do is that you grow your channel. Just grow your channel. Let people that watch post, and let people that are interested in that your content, let them subscribe. You will see that they are the people that will give you engagement. And this is one of the reasons you come to a particular channel and then you see somebody having thousands of subscribers, and come to their comment section, you'll be seeing like two comments, 2 likes, but they have thousands of subscribers. These are the things. They are dormant audience. They are not even interested. They just subscribe because you force them to subscribe. Okay, so the right thing to do is allow people who are interested in your content to subscribe. I'm not saying you should not tell your loved ones to subscribe, but just know that when they subscribe, you will not force them to come and be watching your videos, because I mean, they may not even be interested, probably because they know you or because they are not interested. So, and that's just okay. Okay, so try and build audience that are committed, loyal audience, loyal community members. Okay, loyal people, committed people, those that appreciate and wants and needs your content. These are the people that you should build as subscribers, so that when you post a video, you'll be seeing likes, you'll be seeing engagement. It is called engagement. You'll be seeing likes, you'll be seeing likes, you'll be seeing comments. People will be liking and sharing. Okay, these are the perfect thing to do as subscriber, the kind of subscribers you need, not dormant ones. Okay, so when I learned about that, I was able to solve it, and I stopped looking for dormant audience. I started looking for real, loyal and committed audience, and I am seeing a significant impact to my channel. So having said that, let's get into the third error that I was making.